There's a glass ceiling that most tradespeople are hitting without realising it.
My business has been operating for the last 14 years. I don't think I was growing it in the right way.
Before I joined Trade Mastermind, it was chaotic, quite a difficult, lonely slog.
If you're doing everything yourself, you'll never scale to 500k. It's impossible. Whether you're crawling through lofts, dealing with broken fuse boards, or whether you're out on site doing long hours, you need systems, you need a team, and you need processes.
What I really like about Trade Mastermind is it's not run by textbook theorists. It's run by people that have actually built a trades business. I think all tradespeople in the UK need to improve their skills, not just their technical skills, but their business skills. Otherwise, you're really going to struggle to grow and scale a successful business in the long run.
This really will change your business, but more important, it'll change your life.
It's quite amazing to see the transformation when we first started. We didn't even have a business, we hadn't made any sales, and we had to strip it right back. And we've just had our best ever month. So we did 1.358 million in sales. That's been a testament to the training that we've had to get to that level.
Click the link below, get off the tools, and get back in control of your business.